This is ANN News Brief.
Tanzania's Immigration Department says it is approving 3-month visa extensions for foreign nationals who can't leave the country because of the Covid-19 pandemic. Foreign visitors who applied online were granted the 3-month visa extensions. Residents and holders of other passes, such as exemption certificate and dependent pass holders, have been given a 1-month extension at no cost. The Immigration Department also says if the pandemic situation persists after the expiry of the extension period, holders would have to report to the main immigration office in Dar es Salaam. Those who have already surrendered their resident permit or passes have also been urged to report to the main office. Tanzania has so far reported 20 cases of coronavirus, including 1 death and 2 recovered patients. The Ministry of Health has said it was tracing and monitoring more than 500 individuals who are believed to have had contact with those who have tested positive. The nation has not suspended international flights and its border crossings are still open, but airlines have suspended flight to the country. Tanzania's neighbors have also restricted cross-border travel as a precaution to stopping the spread of the virus. The Human Rights Watch, HRW, has accused Burundi authorities of blocking humanitarian aid to persons in COVID-19 quarantine sites across the country. HRW Central Africa Director Louis Morgay warned against what he calls the country's usual denial and deflection approach to crisis management. He said the government needs to be transparent and work with international partners to prevent the spread of coronavirus and give full access to humanitarian groups to help combat the pandemic. HRW said the government had only revealed 1 quarantine site to the World Health Organization, alleging that many others with unsanitary conditions were holding travelers who had recently arrived in the country. Meanwhile, the United Nations Food Agency has negotiated a humanitarian corridor to keep food aid flowing in Southern Africa after many countries shut their borders to stop the spread of the coronavirus. World Food Program Director for Southern Africa, Lola Castro, said South Africa has agreed to let vessels carrying food aid land on its shores and move it to countries like Zimbabwe, Malawi, Botswana, and Namibia, which faces food shortages. Africa has registered at least 6,700 cases of coronavirus and more than 240 deaths. We'll be right back.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
Mali officials are reporting a voter turnout of just 36% for the country's legislative elections. Minister of Territorial Administration Boubacar Alpha said on Thursday many chose to stay away from the ballot boxes because of threats of violence and COVID-19 pandemic. Mali went to the polls on Sunday to elect new lawmakers in an election that has been long delayed over security concerns. Polling day was marked by several violent incidents in the volatile northern center, including kidnappings of officials. Provisional results released on Thursday indicate a leading opposition figure, Soumaila Cisse, was elected in the first round, but also show a second round of voting will be needed in some districts where no candidate won a majority. The results also show many candidates who support President Ibrahim Boubacar Keïta will likely face a second round of voting by the middle of this month. That is ANN News Brief at 1. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Ademi.